Nuts and seeds, powerful allies for hair health.
Nuts and seeds are packed with nutrients that support thicker, healthier hair. They provide proteins, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, all crucial for hair growth and scalp health. Choosing the right ones and understanding how to include them in your diet can naturally boost your hair's strength and shine.
Top nuts for hair growth: almonds and walnuts.
Almonds offer vitamin E and magnesium, essential for scalp circulation and hair renewal. Walnuts provide omega-3 fatty acids and biotin, important for hair strength and elasticity. Eating a small handful of these nuts daily can help nourish hair from within, making it look fuller and more resilient.
Seeds that make a difference: flax, chia, and pumpkin.
Flax seeds and chia seeds are rich in plant-based omega-3s, supporting scalp hydration and fighting hair dryness. Pumpkin seeds contain zinc, which encourages healthy hair follicles and growth. Adding a tablespoon of these seeds to yogurt, smoothies, or salads is an easy way to benefit your hair.
How to use nuts and seeds for optimal results.
To get the full benefits, eat nuts and seeds raw or lightly roasted, unsalted for best nutrition. Mix them into breakfast bowls, snacks, or baked goods. Consistency is key. Regular consumption supports ongoing hair growth. If you have allergies or dietary restrictions, consult a healthcare provider to find suitable alternatives.
More tips for healthy hair.
Balanced nutrition. Proper sleep and stress management are important alongside nuts and seeds. Stay hydrated and avoid harsh hair treatments for the best results. Combining varied healthy foods with good hair care habits creates the strongest foundation for thicker, healthier hair over time.